Oh, hello everyone. Welcome back. This is vlog 29.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.
I keep forgetting what number of vlogs, and I screwed up the last vlog when I put in that it was vlog 27 when it was actually vlog 28. So this is vlog 29. I'm at the park. There's nobody here, just me and Stephanie, and we brought Michael to try out his new Batmobile. We're over here at West Haven Beach. Oh, here comes Michael. Check him out. We couldn't find his bat suit, his whole Batman. Okay, let's go. He's super excited, but we couldn't find his bat costume. I know he has a lot of Batman props, including the costume, and now he got the Batmobile. But maybe some other day we'll make a decent video. I'm actually vlogging for his channel, doing the Batmobile review. Stephanie's right here. Going really fast. Look at him go. That thing is super fast. How is it, buddy? Huh? How is it? Ooh, it's hot. There's nobody here. Just us. Nobody here.
Higher!
There's that guy picking up trash. There's no shade. Maybe after the sun goes down, people will come.
Peace. Peace out for my Batmobile.
Don't step on me.
For my Batmobile.
And so, let's see what happens tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Good morning. Today is July 21st. Today's Stephanie's birthday. The love of my life. Today's her birthday. So let's see what happens. Michael's right there.
Hi.
Madison is in there. Hey, Mama. Hi. So let's see. Maybe we're gonna have a.
And then later I'm gonna go in the pool.
Maybe later we'll go outside for a little bit. We'll have a picnic and stuff. I'm not sure what we're doing today. I didn't have nothing planned. It's been crazy all week and with the kids and everything. And but today is Stephanie's birthday, and let's see what we do.
Happy birthday to you. Tomorrow.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Vega Zone. Today we're gonna try to sneak in a closed down restaurant. It's been closed for the past 4 years now. I'm gonna go in and record how it looks now. It was a Chinese buffet, so I'm gonna go and try to get in and record really quick. It's gonna be an in and out thing. I don't want to get caught. So let's go do that right now. I'm here at a restaurant that's been closed down for a while. Hello? We're in the kitchen. There is nobody here. This place has been closed down for like 3 years already. I don't have a light, so this is my first kind of abandoned. Got the freezers there. I don't know if you guys can see me. I'm in a abandoned restaurant. It closed down for about 2 years. I'm here by myself. I'm doing it for YouTube, and So I'm always curious. Look, there's nobody here. This place is abandoned. I see somebody. Somebody is walking around. Let me hide. I don't want them to see me. Next time I come to this place, I'm gonna have to come with a flashlight. Everything is here. Let's see if the faucet works. Nope. I'm hiding. I don't want nobody to see me in here. Whoop, somebody parked. But I am in an abandoned restaurant. You don't believe me? Look. There is nobody here. The tables are still here. Gonna walk through the whole restaurant. I was in the kitchen, but that is, these are the restrooms. Anybody here? I don't think there's light. I don't think there's any light in here. Where are the light switches? Like I said, this place has been closed down like 2 years, so everything is kind of brand new. You got the soda machine, cash register here. Somebody left their hat. Soda machine. I'm hiding here next to, there's people walking around, so just hiding, waiting until the people leave. I don't want to get caught in this place. So this place is pretty big, so I'm heading out. I'm going out. There's a lot of people outside. Well, not a lot of people, but it's daytime and there's big windows. Here is the buffet. I kind of sneaked in the computer. They got the computer still here. Look at that. So, chandeliers, restrooms, the kitchen. The only thing interesting in here, the only thing interesting is in here is the machines. They don't work. So, yeah, I'm inside a closed down restaurant. So I'm heading outside. I'm leaving. There's nothing interesting in here. There's nothing interesting. There's nothing interesting in here. So let's go out before somebody calls the cops on me. I like coming to the cemetery. I don't like coming to the cemetery. It's like, I like it because it's nice and peaceful, and then it's sad because my parents are here, both of them.
Your dad and your mom.
Yes, your grandma and your grandpa. So then we'll go home.
Oh, I've never seen that dance.
It's Stephanie's birthday, so I'll put clips of the birthday in this vlog. Well, Stephanie's been vlogging, so make sure you check out her channel. What's next with Stephanie? So I just took. It's her birthday weekend, yeah. So we just came from the pizza place, and Michael took her to Chuck E. Cheese.
He wanted to take me to a special place.
Yeah. And so, and now we're here. Are we here? We're here. Yeah, we're here. Okay. You guys can stay here for a little bit. I'm good. I'll take the camera. Okay, let's go visit my mom. I know my hair is crazy. Stephanie's gonna take over while I go to the gravesite. Woo! Thank God for air conditioner because it is hot out today. I like the cemetery. It's so peaceful, It's sad that I have my mom and my dad here, but they're in a nice resting place. Oh, right here. Every time I come here, there's more and more and more tombstones. Before, the first time it was up to here. This is my mom. This is my mommy right there. My mom and this young. I missed you so much. Well, the grass is growing really nice here. First it was just those tombstones and her, and now look, all of them. There's a lot of mosquitoes here. We had gotten her some solar lights, and I guess when they do the lawn, they broke off. I'm probably gonna get her like some little bricks like that one, like that, to have it all around her. Oh, somebody came and put these. Oh, these are beautiful. These are new here. And these are so gorgeous. Those look really nice. Well, somebody of the family came to visit, probably her sisters or my other two brothers. So I have my mom here. Oh, that is spinning really fast. I have my mom here, and then my dad is on the other side. So both of my parents are here, and they did not pass away by natural death. So that's what makes it sadder, you know. They died horribly. So anyways, I don't like spending a lot of time there. I just come, pay my respects, and on. So now we're gonna go to my father's side. I wish I had both of them together, but to see my father's gravesite, the birds are taking a bath right there, which is showing Michael all the birds, and Stephanie doesn't want to.
I don't want to interrupt them.
She does not want to interrupt them. Look, they're having fun. Look at that.
I think I'm gonna go reverse.
Look at that. They're having so much fun. That is beautiful. Stephanie doesn't really want to interrupt them, but it seems like they're leaving. So here we are, visiting my dad. I'm using a new tripod, a new grip that I kind of invented. I brought a $5 tripod. It looks like this, and yeah, it's working fine. It's working really fine. Instead of buying a $30, $40 GoPro grip, I've invented this one for now, but I'll eventually buy one. So I'm here. My dad's tombstone is right here. His plaque is right here. So, it's so peaceful here. I love it. I mean, I don't love it. It's just, you know, there's no interruptions. There's nobody bothering you. Everybody's dead here. You know, there's a couple of cemeteries that I want to go visit here in Connecticut, and also in Pennsylvania and in New Jersey. Just I don't want to travel by myself to those places. I'm looking for somebody that wants to vlog with me and document everything. Which if I need to travel by myself, I will. I have traveled by myself a lot, but I'd rather have the company. You know, have the company. That's what I'm saying. So that was my mom over there and my dad over here. We're in the same cemetery though. They're in the same cemetery. When they pass away, hopefully I'll be here too. So I'm leaving this documented. Hopefully it's not anytime soon. I still got a lot of things that I want to achieve. So here we are at the cemetery. There's a lot of new tombstones. Every time I come, there's a lot of tombstones. A lot of new ones. So I think we're gonna take the trip back home. Talk to you guys when I get home. So that was it. That was a pretty short vlog. You know, not much. Stephanie was vlogging all day. And, I'm still doing the kebabs. But if you like this video, please subscribe. And please subscribe if you like my channel, and don't subscribe if you don't like my videos or my vlogs or my how-to videos. Speaking of which, I have the next video is gonna be about me, a couple of clips of me putting fly. Oh, hate flies. A couple of videos of me doing makeup, applying makeup on myself. A couple of old clips that I found in my files. So that's gonna be the next video. It's not gonna be a vlog, or maybe an update vlog. But yeah, thank you for watching. That was me going to an abandoned restaurant, spending time with Stephanie and the kids, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, please comment, and support my channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.